How do we solve 4 by 5 plus 9 by 5? We are trying to add two rational numbers here. It's definitely not as straightforward as adding two integers. Remember one golden rule. Whenever we compare, add or subtract rational numbers, we have to get the denominator same. For addition, the first step is to make the denominator same. In this example, we can see the denominators are already the same. In the second step, we just add the numerators over the denominator. The numerators are 4 and 9, and the denominator is 5. The sum will therefore equal 4 plus 9 divided by 5, which is 13 by 5. Many students tend to forget the third step, which is simplify the answer to its standard form. Can this number be reduced further? No, 13 by 5 is already in its standard form, and that makes it our final answer. The second example will give you a better idea. We want to add 5 by 8 and 7 by 12. The denominators are different in this case. So in the first step, we have to get the denominator same. The common denominator will be the least common multiple of both the denominators. It will be the LCM of 8 and 12, and that is 24. It is the smallest common multiple of both these numbers. Now let's see the procedure of getting both the denominators equal to 24. We want to write 5 by 8 plus 7 by 12 as some number upon 24 plus some number upon 24. We want the denominators of both the rational numbers equal to 24. To make the denominator of the first rational number equal to 24, we have to multiply the denominator 8 by 3. And to keep the rational number equivalent, we also have to multiply the numerator by 3. And 5 times 3 is equal to 15. The first rational number can be written as 15 by 24. For the second rational number, we have to multiply the denominator by 2 to make it 24. We also multiply the numerator by 2 to keep the value of the rational number unchanged. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. The second rational number can be written as 14 by 24. That's it. The first step is over. We made both the denominators same. The second and the third steps are simple. In the second step, we add the numerators over the denominator. We can write the sum as 15 plus 14 divided by 24. That equals 29 by 24. We just added the numerators over the common denominator. In the third step, we have to simplify it to standard form. 29 by 24 is already in its standard form and hence becomes our final answer. The sum of these two rational numbers equals 29 by 24.